Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about iPhone and I will like to explain to you how you can set the birthday reminder in your phone. You just need to open your iPhone and then you just need to go open your calendar. You can just go tap into the app library, the calendar, and then whenever you found it, you just need to go click it. The next thing you need to do is just find the date. What date is your birthday? What date is someone you love birthday? And you just need to tap it. Tap the date. Then you just click it and there will be like a pop-up the options. Just go click this plus button and create a new event. You can just type what the event's name or who are in this date who have their birthday, and then just type it. And you can just go scrolling down. You also set the reminder here what time you want to get the reminding of this event, and scrolling down, go open the repeat and just click it. And you can just go click every year, so that every year on this date you will get a reminder or notifications about someone's birthday. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it so well, and let's meet again into other tutorial.